Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Mistfall Hunter game. So without wasting time, here for the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Mistfall Hunter game. This is just an example. So right click on Mistfall Hunter game, then click on properties, then go to the controller tab, and then from the drop down here first select enable Steam input and then relaunch Mistfall Hunter game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Mistfall Hunter game properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then relaunch the game and check. Next fix is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if controller or gamepad is working in Mistfall Hunter game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Mistfall Hunter game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.